BMB, this is BMB, our buck. It's got all the qualities, the right formation of the animal, of the Boer, typical conditions that we know. This is how a Boer is supposed to look like. That's him. He's excited. I wonder what excites him, but he's excited. He's big, he's massive, as you can see, and he's only a year and a half. And these animals keep on growing up until they're about 3 years. It's when they, they stop growing. So it's really interesting to see how big he's going to be. Right now, definitely he's past 75 kg, 80 or something like that. Unfortunately, I don't have a scale to weigh him right now, but I'm very sure he's past those weights. So I'm really excited to see that he's progressing very well, and he's already produced his protogens in the kids that we already have here from Bahati. Those kids underneath there, those are his production or his output. So really excited at the progress, and we're looking forward to him continuing to breed for us many kids. Currently he's going to be only breeding the pure Bordeaux. After sometimes when we have enough Boer bucks from him, then we're going to allow him to go and mount the local small East African goats to create crossbreeds. So really looking forward to that sort of development. As it is, we're really excited enough of the progress here at Shambani Farm, and we're seeing the good genetics coming out of him. So that's it from today here at Shambani Farm on the is it 13th of June 2019. Cheers.